Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Job Diesel beautiful, efficient water and irrigation system. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to connect a manual air release valve assembly that is normally used to remove air lock after repairing or repair work, or after replacing a new submersive pump. This project is in a place called Kambu, and the water is being pumped 5 kilometers from Chulu Springs. We are trying to remove the water from the compartment, from the sump compartment, so that we can connect back the pump. We are through with the repair work. Guys, can you see this is the pump? We are using 2 generators assisted by the submersive pump to remove water from the sump compartment. As you can see, guys, look. These are the 2 generators.